ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शाकल्य and Yajnavalkya ji. Whatever Shakalya asked, that has been answered. Now, Brahmano Nirdesha Kartavya iti ayam arambha. That Brahma which is Nirupadhika, Sakshad Aparokshat Brahma, that Brahma Nirdesha is to be done now. So, Shruti is doing this because Shakalya has not asked, but Shruti wants to reveal that Brahma Tattva. Page number 916, Tika. यस्य कूटस्थ दृष्टि मात्रस्य अंतर्यामित्व कल्पनाधिष्ठानस्य अज्ञानवशात् प्रशासने द्यावा पृथिव्यादि स्थितम् स परमात्मैष प्रत्यगात्मैव इति पदयोरर्थं विवक्षित्वा आह। यस्य कूटस्थ दृष्टि मात्रस्य, दृष्टि मीन्स ज्ञानम, that which is कूटस्थ ज्ञान मात्र, which is akshara. Akshara, what is akshara? Akshara is asthula mananu ahrusvam adhigam, that is akshara. That is 388 mantra, akshara brahmana. So that is given here. Kutastha drishti matrasya antaryamitva kalpana adhishthanasya, in whom the antaryamitva kalpana is done, that this Brahma is antaryami. Means if there is any kalpana, you need adhisthana. So nirupadhika Brahma with Maya Upadhi becomes Sopadhika. Sopadhika kalpana requires a nirupadhika adhisthana. That is akshara. Ajnana vashat prashasane dyava prithivyadi sthitam. Because of the ajnana here means samashti ajnana, mula vidya, Maya. Prashasane dyava prithivyadi sthitam. Because of which Dyava Prithivyo Vidrute Tishtataha, etc. mantras we saw. Sa Paramatma, that is Paramatma. Esha Pratyagatma Eva iti Padayor Artham Vivakshitva. That is Pratyagatma. So this is the Mahavakya now. Saha Paramatma Esha Pratyagatma. That Paramatma is this Pratyagatma. This is the Mahavakya. Iti Padayoho Artham Vivakshitva. So Padartha is given Aha Sa Esha Sa Eshaha Saha Eshaha. That which is understood as Paroksha is actually Aparoksha. Saha Eshaha. Nishedadvayam Murta Murta Brahmane Vyakhyatam Ityaha. The two Nishedas in the form of Neti Neti. So, in Murta Murta Brahmana, you can understand as Murta Amurta Nisheda. Or, you say Vipsa is there. Vipsa means Yavat Paryanta. Anything that is there, everything is negated. As long as other than Atma any idam is understood is negated. Nirdishto Madhukanda Yashasaha, that which was revealed in Madhukanda. And in Tika, further he says, Yo Madhukande Chaturthe Neti Neti Nishedh Mukhena Nirdishtaha Sa Kurcha Brahmane Tanmukhena Eva Pakshata Iti Yojana. That same one will be explained in Purcha Brahmana. Purcha Brahmana will come 4-2. 4-4 they have given in Tippani. Purcha means kursi, simhasana. Actually, where Janak Maharaj is sitting is called Kurcha. From Kurcha alone, kursi. Okay. Tanmukhena means Nisheda Mukhena. There also Neti Neti will be again revealed. Iti Yojana. Nisheda Dwara Nirdishtam eva Spashtayati. What is revealed by Nisheda, he makes it clear. Soyam iti. Soyam Atma Agrihyo na Grihyaha. Atma is Agruhyaha. Agruhyaha na Gruhyaha. Its grahanam is not possible. Katham yasmat sarva karya dharma atitas tasmad agruhyaha. Because it is sarva karya dharma atita. Karana gochara. It is beyond all organs. So this portion also, if you can at least remember the last portion. Sa esha neti neti atma agruhyo nahi gruhyate ashiryo nashiryate asango nahi sajyate asito navyathane narishyati. This much part, because this is repeated. This is our Swarupa Lakshana. That is why we have to study thoroughly this part. Negation of everything. What remains after negation of everything is me. Sthula Sharira, Sukshma Sharira, Karana Sharira, Sthula Prapancha, Sukshma Prapancha, Karana Prapancha, everything you negate. Then what remains is me. Yadhi Karanacharam Vyakratam Vastu Tad Grahana Gocharam Idantu Tad Viparitam Attatvam. Yadhi Karana Gocharam, anything that is Vishaya of Karana. Gocharam means Vishaya. It is a Vyakrita Vastu, manifest. Tad Grahana Gocharam. Then it becomes Grahana Vishaya. This one is Viparitam Atmatattvam. Tika Karya Dharmaha Shabdadayo Ashanadayascha. Karya Dharma means Shabda Sparsha Rupa, Rasagandha and Ashana Pipasa Shoka Moha Jara Mrityu. This is beyond all of them. Shrutyuktam Hetum Avatarya Vyachaste Kuta. So that we saw. Because this Karana Agochara. Tad Viparitatvam Karana Gocharatvam Na Chakshusha Ityadi Shrutehe. Na Chakshusha Grihyate. Grihyate Nanyete.
Tapasa karmana va jnana prasadena vishuddha sattvas tatastutam pashyate nishkalam dhyayamanaha.
So Purvartha is given in Tippani, but the rest also you remember. Tad Viparitatvad Amurtatvad iti yavad. Tad Viparita, earlier he said, Tad Viparita means Karana Agochara. Tad viparita means it is amurta. It is not vyakta. Purvatrapi ubhayatra tad vaiparityam etadeva. In the earlier two instances also, Purvatra api Ubhayatra, in both places, Tad Vaiparityam Etadeva. Tad Vaiparityam Atma Tattvam. Okay, this Tad Viparitatva is coming later actually. सीटी भाष्य तथा अशीर्यो यदि मूर्तम संहतम शरीरादि तच्छीर्यते अयं तु तद विपरीतो अतो न शीर्यते. श्री हिंसायाम इज द धातु. शीर्यते मीन्स हिनस्यति, that which is subject to विनाश. अशीर्यः अविनाशी. क्रयादिगण उभयपदी धातु. श्री हिंसायाम, that which is अशीर्यः. टिप्पणी से विशरणम शैथिल्यम अपक्षय तद्रहित. So our body, it goes through apakshaya right now, stage 5. How many vikaras are there?
6.
Of those 6, we are in 5th. We are in 5th stage. Only one vikara is remaining. Apakshaya is constantly happening. Every day, body parts remind. Ashiryo yadhi murtam samhatam shariradi tachshiryate. Atma is ashirya, that is the good news. Murtam samhatam, that which is murta and sanghata rupa, it will have sharanam, vinasha. Ayam tu tad viparito, ato nahi shiryate. This is different from it, therefore na shiryate. So here you have to read this. Tad viparitatvat amurtatvat ityavat. Because he said murtam shiryate. Tad viparita, so tika tad viparitatvat. So that is the connection with this. I hope you understood that tad viparitas, that tat is for amurtatva. 1. Then तथा असंगो मूर्तो मूर्तांतरेण संबध्यमानः सज्जते अयंतु अयंच तद्विपरीतो अतो न हि सज्जते. असंग is मूर्तः, मूर्तांतरेण संबध्यमानः. That which is asanga, murta, associated with murtantara, another. One murta can be samslishta by another murta, sambadhyamana, sajjate. Ayan, this one is tadviparitaha, is different. Ato nahi sajjate. Therefore, this doesn't get associated. Tatha, asito abadho यदि मूर्तम तद्बध्यते अयंतु तद्विपरीतत्वात् असितो अबद्धत्वात् न व्यथते. असितः असितः क्षीय बंधने इति धातु. क्षीय बंधने धातु wherever there is मूर्धन्य शकार, so धात्वादेहे शह सह. This is a sutra. Dhatvadehe shah saha. In the dhatu, if the first letter is murdhanya shakara, it will become dantya sakara in the rupa. So asitaha. Asitaha means abadha. Abadho, then what is baddha? Yad hi murtam tad badyate. Ayantu tad viparittatvat asita. So these are the pointers. Avinashi, asanga, avaddha. I am avinashi, I am asanga, I am not baddha. न बंधो न बंध न मुक्ति चिदानंद रूप शिवोहम शिव. That meditation we did the other day. Bandhana is for anatma alone, not atma. In atma, bandhana kalpana is there because it is the adhishthanam of ahankar which is baddha. यदि मूर्तम तद बध्यते अयम तो तद विपरीतत्वात् असितो अबद्धत्वात् न व्यथते. टीका पूर्वत्र उभयत्र पूर्वत्र अपि उभयत्र तद वैपरीत्यम एतदेव. So tad viparita is said both the times. You have to understand tad viparita means amurta, because murta will have sanghata, murta will have vinasha, murta will have sanga, murta will be baddha, etc. Amurta will not have any of this. So asito abaddhatvat na vyathate. Therefore there is no vyatha. There is no pain, if you want to understand. There is no dukkham. Vyatha means dukkham. Na vyathate. In Upadeshaha Sri we saw nirdukhitva. I will understand only when I understand I am Brahma devoid of Panchakosha. When we say Panchakosha means not only my Panchakosha. If I am identified with somebody else's Panchakosha also, that also I have to leave. Because it is na vyathate ato na rishyati. Therefore, na rishyati. Rish himsayam. Na rishyati, na hinasyati. और न हिंस्यते. अतः टीका अतः शब्दार्थम स्फुटयन् उक्तम उपपादयति. So now, having explained the shabdartha, what is said, he makes it clear. Grahana visharana sanga bandha karya dharma rahitatvat na rishyati na hinsam apadyate na vinashyati ityartha. There is no vinasha because it is grahana visharana sanga bandha karya dharma rahita. So there is no vinasha. Karya dharmo ho. No, there is something wrong. Anybody else has Radhananda reading? There is a Karya Dharmo ho. No, Karya Dharma. Make it Karya Dharma. Okara you remove.
In Tika it is Karya Dharma. कार्यधर्मः शब्दादयो अशनायादयश्च
Is it?
कार्यधर्मः शब्दादयो
Yeah.
अशनायादयश्च प्रागुक्तः।
Karyadharma. Karyadharma shabdadayo ashanadayascha. This was already said in Tippani. Here it is said. So Karyadharma rahita I am. When there is so much thirst in this summer heat, at that time to remember I am ashana pipasa rahita and drink water. You will have to drink, but Atma is free. ननु शाकल्य याज्ञवल्क्ययोः संवादात्मिका इयम् आख्यायिका तत्र कथं शाकल्येन अपृष्टम् आत्मानं याज्ञवल्क्यो वाचष्टे तत्र आह बिटवीन शाकल्य याज्ञवल्क्य संवादात्मक आख्यायिका शाकल्य did not ask about this atma, then why याज्ञवल्क्य is talking about atma? क्रमम् अतिक्रम्य औपनिषदस्य पुरुषस्य आख्यायिकातो अपसृत्य श्रुत्या स्वेन रूपेण त्वरया निर्देशः कृतः। क्रमम् अतिक्रम्य, the क्रम of प्रश्न उत्तर, transcending it, going away from it, औपनिषदस्य पुरुषस्य आख्यायिकातः अपसृत्य, Apasaranam means to get out of it. Getting out of this dialogue. Upanishadasya Purushasya Svena Rupena. Anvaya of Upanishad Purusha will happen with Shrutya Svena Rupena Tvaraya Nirdesha Krita. Shruti was so eager to talk about Upanishad Purusha. Those who study Vedanta, they should have this kind of desire to study. What kind of desire here Shruti has to teach? So I am so eager to study anytime. Even if I die, what will happen? This is the best thing, study and die. Upanishad, that is why is called like 1,000 mothers. टीका विज्ञानादि वाक्ये वक्ष्यमाणत्वात् किमिति अत्र तन्निर्देश इत्याशंक्याः. In विज्ञानादि वाक्य वक्ष्यमाणत्वात्, which will be said विज्ञानम आनंदम ब्रह्म. Kimiti atra tannirdesh, here why this Upanishad Purusha Nirdesha is done. Tataha punar akhyayikam eva ashritya aha. Connecting this akhyayika Upanishadam Purusham, this question is raised by Yajnavalkya to Shakalya. But the answer of what is that Upanishad Purusha is already given now. असंगो ही नहीं सज्जते, अशीरियो नहीं शीरियते, etc. That answer is already given by Shruti. Sayesha Atma, Sayesha Neti Neti Atma. थर्ड नंबर टिप्पणी समान इति एतानि इति अनयोर आख्यायिका वाक्ययोर मध्ये औपनिषद पुरुष निर्देशानन्तरम इत्यर्थः अथवा शाकल्य प्रश्न निर्णयानन्तरम. समान इति एतानि इति अनयोः आख्यायिका वाक्ययोः मध्ये. The two आख्यायिका वाक्य औपनिषद पुरुष निर्देश अनंतरम is दैट विज्ञानम आनंद, और शाकल्य प्रश्न निर्णय आनंद. So where is samana iti etani? So after Shakalya Prashna, Nirnaya is done, all answers are given. This Upanishad Purusha topic is brought up. Vijnanadi Vakya Vakshamatva. Samana etani is given further actually. Etani yani uktani ashtau ayatanani. In Tika it is given Nishchayena Gamayitva iti etadeva spashtayati. Gamayitva. Gamayitva. What is the pratyaya? Nijanta and then twa. So it will come Gamayitva. What is the meaning of Gamayitva? This is another thing I have noticed. In many people, they will know what is the pratyayas. But if you ask them what is the meaning, they will not know. They will tell you what sutra is there. What is Gamayitva?
Having understood.
Having understood. Having understood would have become Gatva. Why Gamayitva?
Having made understood.
Having made understood. ज्ञान करा के, ज्ञान करके नहीं, ज्ञान करा के. So Shruti made the, Shruti did the निश्चय. निश्चयेन गमयित्वा. निश्चय रूप से ज्ञान करा के एतदेव स्पष्टयति. एतानि यानि उक्तानि अष्टौ आयतनानि पृथिवी एव यस्य आयतनम इति एवं आदिनि. सो पृथ्वी एव यस्य आयतनम. 8 ayatanas were given starting from Prithvi. Prithvi, Kamaha, Rupa Samanyam, Akasha, Tamaha, Vishesha Bhaswara Rupam, Apaha, Retaha. These are the 8 ayatana. Then Ashtau Lokaha, 8 lokas, Tippani number 2. Agni, Hridaya, Chakshuhu, Shrotra, Hridaya, Chakshuhu, Hridaya, Hridayani. Hridaya is there 4 times. Hridaya means Buddhi. These are 8 Lokaha. Agni Lokadayo. Ashtau Devaha. 3rd number Tippani. What are the 8? 3rd number Tippani.
Amrita, Stri, Satya, Dik, Mrityu, Asu, Varuna, Prajapatayah.
Amrita, Stri, Satya, Dik, Mrityu, Asu. Asu means Prana, Varuna and Prajapati. These are the 8 Devaha. Iti hovacha, iti evam adini, ashtau purushaha. 4 number Tippani. Sharira Purusha, Kamamaya Purusha, Putramaya Purusha. 3. Aditya Purusha, Shrauta Purusha, Pratishrutka Purusha, Chayamaya Purusha, Darpanadistha Pratibimba Purusha, Vapik Upadi Abhimani. These are the 8 Purushas. Sharira Purusha Ityadaya. Sa yaha kaschit तान् पुरुषान् शारीर प्रवृत्तीन् निरुह्य निश्चयेन ऊह्य गमयित्वा, अगेन गमयित्वा, निश्चयेन ऊह्य, निरुह्य निश्चयेन ऊह्य. What is the dhatu?
वह धातु.
Then vaha, how it will become ufya? What is the nimitta for some person?
Vachiswapi ajadinam niti.
No, what is the nimitta?
It is kit. Tva pratyaya. Before lep pratyaya, tva is there.
Why can't we just say uha vitarke dhatu? Vaha dhatu niruhya uha vitarke dhatu can directly give the same shabda. Nishchayena uhya. गमयित्वा, ज्ञान कराके. वह धातु ज्ञान अर्थ will not come. अष्टचतुष्क भेदेन. Somebody can see uha vitarke dhatu lyap pratyaya antarupa. Niruhya shabda or any other upasarga can be there. अष्टचतुष्क भेदेन लोकस्थितिम उपपाद्य पुनः प्राची दिगादि द्वारेण प्रत्युह्य. So अष्टचतुष्क means 4 groups of 8. Ayatana, Loka, Deva, Purusha. 8 ayatanas, 8 devatas, 8 Purusha, 8 Loka. Loka sthitim upapadya punaha prachi digadi dwarena. Then 5 dishas he talked about. 8 number tippani. See. भेदेन विभागेन तृतीया हेत्वर्थे तथा च अविद्या भूमौ स्थित्वा यथोक्त आयतनादिभिर लोक स्थितिम उपपाद्य साभासा अज्ञान अज्ञानात् आयतनादि विभागं कृत्वा. Because of the मूला विद्या आयतन देव लोक पुरुष अली विभाग विभागं कृत्वा तस्य लोक स्थिति हेतुता. They all are sustaining this world, this ayatana, these purushas, the devatas, lokas, etc. 9 number tippani, the dishas, prachi, digadi, adi shabdena, dakshina, pratichi, udichi, dhruvaha. 4 directions and upward direction toward the Meru. And then in all of them, प्रतिपर्यायम आदित्य चक्षु रूपाणी यम यज्ञ दक्षिणा श्रद्धा वरुण जल रेतांसी सोम दीक्षा सत्यानि अग्नि वाचौ च गृह्यन्ते. All of them we saw earlier. स्वात्मनि हृदये अत्यक्रामत् अतिक्रांतवान् उपाधि धर्मम हृदयादि आत्मत्वम स्वेनैव आत्मना व्यवस्थितो य औपनिषदः पुरुषो अशनायादि वर्जित उपनिषत्सु एव विज्ञेय. This Upanishad Purusha which is Ashanayadi Varjita. Upadhi Dharma means Buddhi. Hridayadi Atma Tattvam. Hridaya Adi. Adina Sharira Prana Pana Vyana Udana Samana. All that we have seen. transcending beyond everything that Shakalya discussed, is this Upanishad Purusha. Sarva dharma atikrantavan. Atikrantavan upadi dharmam. Svenaiva atmana vyavasthito. Ya Upanishad Purusho ashanayadi the shad urmi varjitaha. Upanishadsu eva vigneya. This can be known only in Upanishad. Tika औपनिषदत्वं पुरुषस्य व्युत्पादयति. Before that, pratyuhya upasamhritya iti yavat. Pratyuhya means upasamhritya. औपनिषदत्वं पुरुषस्य व्युत्पादयति. Vyutpadanam means
Pratipadanam.
ज्ञान कराना, प्रतिपादन. उपनिषत्सु एव ज्ञेय विज्ञेय न अन्य प्रमाण गम्यस तं त्वां विद्याभिमानिनं पुरुषं पृच्छामि. तं त्वां तं त्वौपनिषदम् is given, so तं त्वा औपनिषदं पुरुषं पृच्छामि. औपनिषदः पुरुषः तं त्वा to you vidyabhiman. You have so much arrogance about your vidya. I am asking you about that which is revealed by Upanishad. Do you know it? Tanched tan tvaupanishadam purusham pृच्छामि. Upanishadsu eva vigneyaha na anya pramana gamyaha. It is not revealed by any other pramana. See second number tippani. Asvevopanishad-svenam yato vyachakshate buddhaha karmakande virodhitvan naivainam vyachachakshire tantvaupanishadam dhira brahmatmanam prachakshate. Asueva, in this alone, Upanishadsu, enam buddhaha yato vyachakshate. Since wise people talk about this in Upanishad alone. Karmakande virodhitvat. In Karmakanda, there is a virodha. Therefore, na eva enam. In Karmakanda, this is not upalabdha. Shakalya knew lot of Karmakanda, including Upasana, but not Upanishad Purusha. Tantva Upanishadam dhira brahmatmanam prachakshate. Dhiraha tantva Upanishadam brahmatmanam prachakshate. They speak of this Brahma, Atma as Upanishad Purusha. Anything you remember from Upanishadsu eva vigneya na anya pramana gamyaha?
नान्यः पन्था विद्यते यनाय.
No. And all those things are there, but that is not what is in my mind right now.
Yesterday
Yesterday we saw
Upanishad class.
Upadesha Sahasri class we saw.
No, so anybody else said anything? So, Brahma Sutra. Anything rings any bells? Shastra Yonitvat. Shastra Yonitvat Sutra has two Varnaka. वन वर्णक विषय वाक्य इज तन्त्वोपनिषदं पुरुषं पृच्छामि. You note down these things. Important things, they should always come to your mind. तंचेद यदि मे न विवक्ष्यसि विस्पष्टं न कथयिष्यसि मूर्धाते विपतिष्यति इत्याह याज्ञवल्क्य. याज्ञवल्क्य से इफ यू डोंट एक्सप्लेन टू मी वेरी क्लियरली, विस्पष्टं न कथयिष्यति मीन्स वेगली डोंट से, clearly if you cannot explain, your head will fall off. Tantva Upanishadam Purusham Shakalyo na mene. Shakalya did not know. Ha na vijñātavan kila. He did not know. Tasya ha murdha vipapata. His head vipatitaha. Head fell off. टीका तम ह इत्यादि याज्ञवल्क्यस्य वा मध्यस्थस्य वा वाक्यम इति शंकां वारयति. So when it is said tam ha na mene, it was said, so that is not the vakya of Yajnavalkya. It is not the vakya of Madhyastha. It is samapta akhyayika. Akhyayika is complete. Shruter vachanam tam ha na mena ityadi. So the dialogue is complete. Brahmavid vidveshe paraloka virodho api syaditya. Very important achara conduct. If somebody does dvesha for a Brahmagyani, Brahmavid vidveshe paraloka virodho api syad. Paraloka virodha api means ihaloka to definitely, paraloka also that person will not get. Kincha api hasya parimoshinas taskara asthini api samskarartham shishyair niyamanani grihan prati apajahruhu apahritavantah. Parimoshinah means taskaraha, thieves. They took away the bones of Shakalya also, which the students had carried for samskara. Samskarartham shishyaihi niyamanani astini api grihat, from the house they took it away. Apajahruhu apahritavantah. In nimittam anyad dhanam niyamanam manyamana. They thought there is wealth which is taken, which is being carried away. So they took away that bones also. Means his antima samskaras also did not happen. This Shakalya had so much dvesha for Yajnavalkya, ended up in this. Tika murdhate vipatishyati iti murdhni patite शापेन किमिति अग्निहोत्र अग्नि संस्कारम अपि शाकल्यो न प्राप्तवान इति आशंक्या. मूर्धाते विपतिष्यति, only this much was said. Why he did not get agni samskara? That was not part of the shapa by Yajnavalkya. He says no, this story happened earlier. Purva vritta hi akhyayika iha suchita. Purva vritta, so this had happened in karma prakarana, which is quoted here in Vidya Brahma Vidya Prakarana. Ashtadhyayam kila Shakalyena Yajnavalkyasya samananta eva samvado nirvrittaha. Yajnavalkya Shakalya saman dialogue, samvada was there in the earlier chapter. Tatra Yajnavalkyena shapodattaha. So that in Tika it is said, tam eva akhyayikam Anukramati, he brings it here. Where it happened? Ashtadhyayi Brahadaranyakad Prachina Karma Vishaya. In the earlier chapters of Brahadaranyaka, which is not the Upanishad. Brahadaranyaka Prachina, which is Karma Vishaya. What was the Shapa? See, Tatra Yagnevalkyena Shapo Datta. Yagnevalkya gave Shapa. Pure Atithya Marishyasi. Nahi nate asthini chana grihan ta prapsyanti iti. Saha tathaiva mamara. Pure means Punya Kshetra Atirikta Deshe. You will die where there is no Punya Kshetra. Atithya means Punya Tithi Shunya Kale. You will die where there is no Punya Kala also. Asthini Chana. Iti atra Chana Shabdo api artha. Asthini Chana means your bones also will not be doing or having Antima Samskara. Saha Tathaiva Mamara. He died exactly that way. In a Pura, in a city, not in a holy place, and at the worst time. Punyatithi Shunya Kale. Tasyaha api anyan manyamanaha parimoshiно asthini apajahruhu. And these thieves, they thought his bones are something else, so they stole it away. Tasmat no upavadi syad. Utahi evam with paro bhavati iti. Upavadi means paribhava karta. Therefore, in arguments, etc., don't become the one who is intent on winning the arguments. In particular with Brahma Jnani. Tat Shabdartham aha. Uta hi evam with paro bhavati. If at all somebody becomes like this. Uta hi yasmad evam vidapi brahmagnyo api. Upavadat paraha shatrur bhavati. Upavad means you become enemy with this kind of dialogue. So tasmad na upavadi syad ityartha. I will just complete this. Now upavadi syad. Utahi evam with paro bhavati iti. Tika. Kim iti iyam akhyayika atra vidya prakarane suchita. Why this akhyayika is mentioned here in vidya prakarana? Saisha akhyayika acharartham suchita. Vidya stutaye cha iha. This is for vidya stuti. Brahmagnani, his words will become true. And also achara, how to behave with a Brahmagnani, the one who teaches Brahma Vidya, etc. You don't give certificate to the other person that, no, he is not Brahmagnani, I know. When the result comes, then you cannot go back. We don't know anyone. So best is behave well. This is what he says. See the final tika. Brahma Vidhi vinitena bhavitavyam iti acharaha. With Brahmavid, vinitena, vinita bhava, vinaya purvaka, namaskara purvak bhavitavyam, iti achara. This is the conduct. Vinamra bhava is required. Mahati hi iyam Brahma Vidya, yat tan nishtha avajñāyam aihika mushmika virodha syad iti vidya stuti. This Brahma Vidya is very great. Mahati hi iyam Brahma Vidya yat tan nishtha avajñāyam. The one who is Brahmanistha, if you do avajñā, insult, then aihika amushmika virodha. We will not get aihika loka, amushmika loka. Iti, this is Vidya Stuti. How great is this jnana? So this is a very important thing. In particular, those who are staying near ashram, in ashram, near Mahatmas. Near means those who are surrounded by other Mahatmas. Then we don't know who is Brahmagnani. The best is vinitena bhavitavya. and otherwise also it is good. It is part of amanitvam, adambitvam, etc. So these qualities will help us in becoming Brahmajnani. And we do Ananta Koti Namaskar to Acharya like Yajnavalkya. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Veda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.